It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. Just wanted to share why I decided to sell all my Shib tokens. Latest news on Shiba Inu. In spite of the ongoing fear, uncertainty, and doubt campaign directed towards Shiba Inu, the asset has managed to outperform the Nasdaq 100 index. Despite BitBoy's threats to expose the name of Shiba Inu's principal developer and Shibarium's copying of other scripts, all of these recent Fedi tactics have been fruitless because Shib is gaining pace. Benefiting from increased bullish attitude and the hype about Shibarium, the asset has gained more than 33% since its initial price in 2023. I recently liquidated all of my Shib tokens, and I'll explain why in this video. Latest news on Shiba Inu. If you want to watch more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inu, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give us a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. When compared to the Nasdaq 100, Shiba Inu's gain percentage is over twice. From its starting value of 0.08087 this year, has increased 33.6% to its current price of 1,184. Despite persistent fear, uncertainty, and doubt viewed, the Shiba Inu has made tremendous strides forward. The interest in Shibarium, a general upswing in optimistic attitude, and the sporadic market-wide rallies in the cryptocurrency field are just a few of the many reasons that have contributed to the asset bubble this year. Shib's reached a 6-month high of $0.121 on February 5th during one of the rallies, but they faced a reversal that saw them tumbling to a low of $0.100 5 days later. Despite the asset's subsequent recovery, its price plummeted to $0.9728 earlier this month due to the absence of bullish support. As the asset aims to regain the local peak above $0.1015, another recovery push has begun. This campaign was aided by the recent resolution of the Shibarium FUD. Is now aiming for $11 in the near future, having gained 5% in the last day. Voyager Digital has started selling Shiba Inu, Ether, and Voyager token to cash out US dollars that have been deposited into their bankrupt crypto lenders' accounts, according to on-chain statistics. 2 separate Voyager addresses were transferred USDC in the amount of $1,610 million last month. Out of all those, Voyager has already sent $150 million worth of USDC to Circle, which they may then redeem for US dollars, according to Look On-Chain, an on-chain analytics firm. Sales for Voyager have remained somewhat flat for the previous 3 weeks, prompting the transfer. Voyager has started redeeming its USDC in fiat, redeeming $150 million through Circle service, according to a tweet today by crypto intelligence firm Arkham. The money has been sent to Circle, but it has not been used as yet. Coinbase sent $150 million worth of USDC to Circle on the same day, likely for withdrawal purposes. Tom Hahn, a research analyst at 21, the parent firm of 21 Shares, made note of Voyager's asset sales beginning in February using data from Dune Analytics. In just 5 weeks, they had received $606 million USDC. The remaining amount for Voyager is around $546 million USDC. Their Shiba Inu and Ethereum holdings, among other cryptocurrencies, remain substantial. Arkham revealed that the addresses of the insolvent crypto lender still own $151.22 million in ETH, the $49.53 million in VGX, and $41.4 million in Shiba Inu before the Voyager transaction haul on March 10th. Arkham reports that since Voyager began liquidating all crypto assets to exchanges containing 50 distinct crypto assets at 181.74 M, Shib was second at 67.54 and VGX was third at 28.82 M. The most recent Voyager transfers should also be considered in the context of the asset's acquisition by Binance US, which has been delayed once again. The acquisition of the assets for $1.3 billion is still being contested, despite bankruptcy judge Michael Will's approval. The United States government wants more time to examine the deal's legality, therefore the U.S. federal court has suspended it again. The action was upheld by U.S. District Judge Jennifer Reardon, following a second lawsuit filed on Monday by the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Binance has now taken this step. As of this writing, the Shiba Inu price was attempting yet another breakout from the slump that had been going strong since early February, trading at $0.176 USD. To validate the breakout, the $0.1122 mark will play a pivotal role. Investors aren't pleased with Shib's price trend, yet whales are buying up a lot of the cryptocurrency. The sum of all addresses holding more than 1 trillion Shib has climbed by 5% in the past 30 days, reaching 42. And further development is the increase in the amount of addresses containing 1,000 to 10,000 Shib tokens. This group of addresses, known as whales, may be buying Shib in anticipation of a price increase. The increasing number of Shiba Inu trillionaires can be seen from a market standpoint in various ways. That the meme coin is gaining traction could be a sign of its future success. Due to the recent reduction in Shib price, the burn rate for this cryptocurrency has also been significantly lower. A Twitter account that follows the burn rate of Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, Shib recently posted an update regarding the steep drop in the burn rate. The most recent data shows that the Shib burn rate has fallen by approximately 100%, while it fell by about 50% in the previous week. Shibarium, a platform for Layer 2 scalability, has been long anticipated by the Shiba Inu community. As concerns about the ecosystem have grown due to multiple launch delays, main developer Satoshi Kusama has come under heavy criticism. Nevertheless, the Shiba Inu community now feels more confident thanks to Satoshi Kusama's reassurances to investors about the Shibarium launch. New information has emerged regarding the increasing interest in Shibarium among validators, as disclosed by the pseudonymous primary developer of Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kusama. More than 500 developers have expressed interest in Shibarium, according to a screenshot given by @SunshineShib, a developer of Shiba Inu. Using the Shibarium beta testnet has been extended to the majority of validators, according to the principal developer. Before the formal launch of Shibarium, Kusama thinks that validators will be able to make better decisions if they are given early access to the protocol. As Kusama mentioned, the majority of validators have been contacted via email and asked to try out the testnet beta to see whether it suits their needs. At last count, there were 500 potential validators, however, may have omitted some individuals who were mistakenly labeled. When Shibarium becomes live, it will be up to these validators to ensure that all network transactions are legitimate. A positive aspect of SIS recent losses is that its signs are now pointing to a rebound rally, which is a promising development. One indicator is the coin's relative strength index, which was oversold in early March but is now approaching 50. Shiba Inus are making their way into the Portuguese market, according to recent reports. In order to facilitate exclusive NFT transactions via BitPay, the NFT marketplace Tokapi has declared its adoption of Shib. BitPay, a leading cryptocurrency payment processor, has partnered with Tokapi, an NFT marketplace based in Portugal. In addition to Bitcoin and Ethereum, the NFT marketplace also accepts Shiba Inu as a form of payment. This opens the door for Tokapi platform users to buy NFTs with Shib using BitPay methods. As part of its strategy to increase support for cryptocurrency payments, Tokapi has partnered with BitPay. More opportunities for buying NFTs are now made available to NFT collectors and aficionados. With this latest expansion, Tokapi's platform now accepts 16 different cryptocurrency assets. The Lisbon, Portugal-based Tokapi is an NFT marketplace. It provides a convenient marketplace for trading digital artifacts. Everything from clothes to digital art, real estate, and music is available on the marketplace. The NFT marketplace also revealed that Sheer Light's exclusive NFT edition, created by the renowned illustrator and animator from Los Angeles, Ronald Kwong, is now available. According to Tokapi, Ethereum was the only payment method accepted for the NFT collection. Tokapi also has two more popular NFT versions by Kwong Barrage and Hunters in the Snow. Peter Bruegel's original work served as an inspiration for the latter, while Mirage was influenced by the notable KHM's building. So concludes today's activities. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.